Welcome to My Dream Academy, Dilshuknagar, Hyderabad branch. I am Chalapathi, mathematics lecturer. Today, my videos will be continuation. The conic section parabola I am discussed with the two parts, and now the second conic part, that is the ellipse, I am going to start now. For making the ellipse and hyperbola, the small concept you have to get. One is the diagram of the standard ellipse. You can take it as an ellipse is like this, and which intersect the x-axis, say this is x-axis and y-axis, intersected in A and B and B and B dash, A dash, B dash. So now it is coming as standard equation of ellipse will be in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In this case, A is greater than B. Next, for this the center is origin 0, 0. And for every concept, very beginning you have to find out what is the new terminology in conic section of ellipses, eccentricity. Because in parabola, eccentricity is 1. The reason is SP by PM equal to E. E equal to 1, conic is called parabola. E is less than 1, which is called as ellipse. E is greater than 1, ellipse, conic called hyperbola. So that center is 0, 0. Eccentricity is E equal to root A square minus B square by A square, which we can turn as B square equal to A square into 1 minus A square. And here for parabola only one focus will be exist, but here double focus will be coming. That is called foci, S and S dash. S is AE comma 0 and S dash is minus AE comma 0. The distance between foci is SS dash equal to 2AE. Then vertex, where the curve interrupted the coordinate axis, A dash, B dash. A is A0, B is 0B, A dash is minus A0 left side, B dash is downside 0B dash. A dash is the length of the major axis, that is the 2A units. B dash is the length of minor axis, that is the 2B. Equation of directrix, here also the directrix are two directrices will be coming. One is left and another is right. Left directrix is parallel to x-axis with the distance of A by E units. So x equal to minus A by E is the left directrix and x equal to A by E positive is the right directrix. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by A. And if A equal to B, the ellipse is the limiting case of circle, and the equation of circle comes x square plus y square equal to A square, termed as ellipse. And z dash is the distance between the directrix. 2A by E will be coming. Yes, in this conic section of the ellipse concept, the first question. Equation of ellipse whose focus is given at 4, 0 and eccentricity E is 4 by 5. When focus and eccentricity both are given, what will be the equation of ellipse? How to start means first, foci is given as 4, 0, AE, 0 is 4, 0 and eccentricity E is 4 by 5. From these two, AE compare is 4, A into 4 by 5 is 4, 4 cancel, we will get A value 5. Since eccentricity formula B square equal A square into 1 minus E square. So B square will be calculated as 9. Once A and B got in your hand, x square by A square 25, 5 square. Y square by already B square 3 square 1, which match the option B. So this is the way how to find out equation of ellipse when focus and eccentricity are known. Next is, sometimes it's a very, very important question, frequently appearing in the MCET question papers. They will give the equation, under that some unknown quantity they are asking us. The equation x square by 2 minus r plus y square by r minus 5 plus 1 equal to 0 represent an ellipse, then what is the conditions or range of the r value? You observe the most disadvantage and confused start. X square by A square plus y square by B square equal to minus 1 is coming. It not represent ellipse. It is going to be the hyperbola. That's why readjust. What is the readjust, sir? You send these two terms in other side. That comes what? Given equation x square by r minus 2, y square by 5 minus r, that one as it is. Once it is the standard equation of ellipse, according to the known fact of denominator part x square by A square, y square by B square, A square and B square must be positive. So if this represent an ellipse, this r minus 2 should be greater than 0, means r is perfectly greater than 2. And y square by 5 minus r. 5 minus r should also be positive. So 5 minus r is greater than 0 means 5 is greater than r, that is nothing but r is less than 5. So r greater than 2, r less than 5 means r is between 2 and 5. So option B is tallied. Next, the third question. If the length of lateral rectum of an ellipse is x square tan square alpha plus y square secant square alpha equal to 1 is 1 by 2. Then what will be the alpha? It is a link with the trigonometric application in ellipse. How to start that one? First of all, let the given ellipse standardize. X square by, you should come, tan square coming denominator, that is cot square alpha. Y square by secant square coming denominator, cos square alpha. So given ellipse is indirectly x square by cot square alpha plus y square by cos square alpha equal to 1. A square is cot square alpha, b square is cos square alpha. Since length of lateral rectum of an ellipse is 1 by 2 is given, length of lateral rectum is 1 by 2 means 2b square by a is the formula, is 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, 4b square equal to a. B square is how much, sir? Cos square alpha, 4 cos square alpha. It is very important. Most of the students are putting a square value, they are taking directly, but here a, that's why you use, don't keep cot square alpha, it should be cot alpha. 4 cos square alpha, cot alpha equal. 4 cos square alpha equal cot alpha, we can write cos alpha by sin alpha. Cos alpha cancel, cross multiplication comes 4 sin alpha cos alpha is 1, that will be coming 2 into 2 sin 2 alpha equal to 1 sin 2 alpha is 1 by 2. Sin of something is 1 by 2 means that something should be 30 degrees. So 2 alpha is 30 degrees, alpha is pi by 12, so option B is correct. Now the next question, fourth. Find the k value if the two lines are conjugate with respect to ellipse. It's a very, very important design again. Whenever the two lines are conjugate, yes, a concept is if L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal 0, L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal 0 are the two lines conjugate with respect to ellipse. Condition is a square L1 L2 plus b square M1 M2 equal to N1 N2. It's a direct concept question, but here ellipse is given indirectly 5x square plus 6y square minus 15 equal 0, standardize. 5x square plus 6y square equal to 15, divide on both sides with 15, that comes x square by 3 plus y square by 5 by 2 equal to 1. And identify the a square is 3, b square is 5 by 2. Then the two lines are given, identify L1 is 2, M1 is minus 1, N1 is 3. L2 is 4, M2 is k and N2 is 3. Just substitute in condition. A square L1 L2 plus b square M1 M2 equal to N1 N2. Substitute all the values, we will get directly the k is 9. This is the one very, very important. Suppose the same question coming in hyperbola, the only change is coming as what? Minus will be coming, rest will be as it is. Yes, the next design will be find the equation of ellipse when they are given two conditions. One is the length of lateral rectum is 15 and the distance between foci is also given 10. These are the options. How to start that one means, first find out, first assume that the required ellipse will be the dummy x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now one by one condition given. Length of lateral rectum is 15, LLR is 15 in the data. Length of lateral rectum is 2b square by a, which is 15. From this 2b square equal to 15, one condition completed. Second, distance between foci is 10 units they are given. Because foci is plus or minus AE, 0, the distance between foci is SS dash. 2 AE equal to 10, from that AE equal to 5, A square E square equal to 25. According to the eccentricity formula, we know that A square E square is same as A square minus B square. A square minus B square equal to 25. You substitute 2B square value is in this and it will be getting as a two factors. One is A minus 10 into 2A plus 5 equal 0. First case. A minus 10 equal 0 means A equal to 10. 2A plus 5 equal 0 means A equal to minus 5 by 2. A is the length of major axis, it never be negative, so does not exist since A is positive. Option another, A is 10 from 1, what is the 1? 2b square is 15a. From that we are getting as a b square. Hence, a is in your hand, b square is in your hand. So we can complete the answer from 1. X square by a square is 10 square 100. Y square by already b square 75 is 1. The option 1 is tallied. Yes, one more design. This is a common question from right from the circles to all conic section. Just listen. Suppose one case, if I am given a circle and a point is given, how to find out the angle between the pair of tangents drawn from P to the circle? It is coming as tan theta by 2 is equal to root S11 by R. Similarly, when parabola is given, we can find the pair of tangent drawn from P. There is a formula root S11 by x1 plus a. Like that, same way the format is coming when ellipse is given and a point P is given outside. It is tangent 1, tangent 2. The angle between these two pair of tangent drawn from P to the ellipse is theta. Now it is coming. Angle between pair of tangent drawn from a point to an ellipse. Given ellipse, divide on both sides with 5, x square by 5 by 3 and y square by 5 by 2 equal to 1. If theta is an angle between the pair of tangent drawn from px1 by 1 to an ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, tan theta equal to 2ab into root s11 divided by x1 square plus y1 square minus a square plus b square. Just to substitute and simplify. 2 into a is how much? A square is 5 by 3 means a is root 5 by root 3. B is what? Root 5 by root 2 into root of S11. S11 means 3 into 1 square 3 plus 2 into 2 square 2 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 minus 5 6 root 6 and x1 square plus y1 square means 1 square plus 2 square 5 minus a square plus b square, that is what? 5 by 2, 5 by 3 plus 5 by 2. If you simplify this one, that it will be the tan theta. Theta equal to tan inverse of the required answer. So we will continue. The second part will be the next video.